Moving on, as the tussle between the Enforcement Directorate and the West Bengal government continues, the Calcutta High Court has ordered the CBI and the West Bengal cops to jointly probe the attack on ED officials that took place on January 5th. The High Court has also asked them to trace the TMC leader, Shah Jahan Sheikh, who allegedly masterminded this attack on ED officials during a raid at his residence. This was in connection with the alleged ration distribution scam. Earlier, the High Court had also asked the state government to install CCTV cameras in and around the house of the TMC leader, Shah Jahan Sheikh. These directions were issued after the ED claimed that the West Bengal police were distorting facts. Now, this SIT will be monitored by the Calcutta High Court itself. And this SIT will now file a progress report of the investigations on the next date of hearing, which is February 12th. Is this a setback for the state government? That's what it looks like. Shatarupa is a spokesperson of the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Touseef Ahmed Khan is a political analyst, will be speaking on behalf of the TMC, joining us on the broadcast as well. Touseef Ahmed Khan, fact is that even the court didn't trust the state police to do the job fairly and therefore roped in the CBI. Is this a setback for the state police where a court is saying, okay, we understand what the ED is saying. The ED is saying that the state police is not probing the matter fairly and now we have to put the CBI in?
No, Shreya, that is not how I would look at that court does not trust the state police. It's because the parties have gone to court and for the reasons stated in the petition, court has considered that. And this is not the first time where court has allowed the such kind of petition. You know, it very often happens, and it happens across the state. In wherever a party is dissatisfied with the the state administration, they ask for the investigation by a SIT or by the central team. And taking consideration of the submission, the court has passed this order, and as long as the order is binding, the state administration will follow it. And there has been more
Mr. Khan, how is this not a setback?
3 more arrests.
Mr. Khan, how is this not a setback? Look at what the High Court has said. I'm saying in the last 48 hours, just see what the High Court has said and done. First, it is asking the West Bengal police where Shah Jahan is. No one knows. So the court had to tell the police that please put a CCTV camera outside his house so that when he comes, you at least know where he is, whether he's coming and going. The court had to step in and do this. The West Bengal police didn't do it themselves. Then the ED comes to them and says that the West Bengal police has filed FIRs against us. We were the ones who got beaten up. We were the ones who got bashed. And the West Bengal police has filed an FIR against us. Therefore, the court goes ahead and says, okay, let the CBI step in. How is this not an embarrassment for the state police and the state government? Shatarupa, would you want to come in here?
Of course, I would love to come in, Shreya. Good evening. It's just so sad that we meet, whenever we meet, it's on such low-level grounds, and my state gets unnecessarily pulled into this nonsense. Anyway, to put it on record, my party is grateful to the High Court for appointing this SIT, this special investigation team, which is equivalent to a tight slap on West Bengal government and the West Bengal police. Yes, you're very right. You pointed out very nicely about the CCTVs. Let me inform you. You must be informed, but still I would like to reiterate that despite the fact that the court had told the police to open, and imagine you have to tell the police, please put up a CCTV. Now they've suddenly decided that the CCTVs need to be put up outside his house, outside the bazaar that he owns, outside some other brick factory that he owns. But, Shreya, let me tell you, till now, those CCTVs are not running. And also, let me tell you, those CCTVs are, the switch to put it on and off is in Shah Jahan's house, which is supposed to be operated by the brother. So I really don't know after 12 days whether the police is actually waiting for Shah Jahan to suddenly appear in front of those CCTV cameras, ring up his brother, because he's using his phone still. He should be ringing up his brother, making faces at in front of the CCTV. Then the police will go and nab him. I mean, is that it? Is that what the police is waiting for?
No, Shreya.
Touseef Ahmed Khan, is the Bengal police that incompetent? No, 1 minute. Is
No,
the
no,
Bengal
no.
police that incompetent that they
No,
cannot apprehend a man who is being accused of orchestrating an attack on an ED team that was just doing its job? You may or may not agree with the way ED functions. It's a different question. You cannot attack an ED team. It's attacking institutions of this democracy, institutions that hold this democracy tall. My question to you is simple. Where is Shah Jahan Sheikh? Why is the TMC protecting him? Because if the TMC wasn't protecting him, he would have been in jail 12 days ago.
So, Shreya, I totally join issue with you when you say that no one has authority to attack the investigative agency, and there is no place for violence, and no one is justifying the violence. Now, secondly, the order that was passed is no reflection by the court of losing faith on the Bengal police team. In fact, the court has reposed the faith. The demand was to transfer the investigation to a CBI. But the court has asked the SP, the same superintendent of police of the district, Mr. Jaspreet Singh, to lead the SIT jointly, along with the SP rank officer of a CBI. So it's a joint investigation. There's no question of throwing one investigative team out and bringing in another. So which is how what it looks like is being portrayed by the BJP spokesperson. So it's a joint investigation, and it keeps the SP of the particular district,
Mr. Khan,
as the joint.
If you want to be optimistic, you can be optimistic.
Secondly, no. You see, there
if
are
you want to
already
be optimistic, you can be optimistic.
Seven arrests have been made in this investigation as of yet. So all these arrests were made by the Bengal police. And if really BJP is questioning Bengal police,
you arrest Changu Mangoos. You arrest all the dunya ka Changu Mangoos, and you will not arrest the person who's a TMC leader.
So
who's the one who's accused of orchestrating the attack? And after he just doesn't orchestrate the attack. After that, he issues videos.
If Bengal police
like
was
he's
so
some
bad,
don.
then why? No, if Bengal police was so bad, then why did the Home Minister, Amit Shah himself, the Home Ministry awarded the Bengal police with the best police prize recently? It was like a Chandranagar police station. And
20 seconds. 20 seconds. I'm over. I have some shots from Badrinath I want to play.
Women's safety, Calcutta.
Mr. Khan, let Chaturuppa speak.
There's no question of Bengal policing.
1 second.
Ho gaya.
Touseef is completely confused, I think. I will just take not even 20 seconds. Firstly, these Changu Mangoos that you're saying, none of those Changu Mangoos were even seen on this entire video footage that we've seen. The people who were seen, they're still not, they're still not arrested. Number one. Number two is this man, the Sheikh Shah Jahan, has given out one voice message. He's changed 2 lawyers. And he's appealed to the court on 2 different occasions. Now, a man to appear in front, to sign a document needs to be physically present. Now, this kind of so-called spirit who has just, been spirited away by Trinamool, if he's appearing enough for long enough to sign a paper, this police doesn't even think that it's necessary to arrest him. I disagree with you, Shreya. BJP does not think that the West Bengal police is inefficient. BJP is convinced that West Bengal police does not want to act. This is completely 2 different things. We do not say that they're inefficient. They just don't want to act.
That's the impression that I have as well.
Has gone on record.
That is an impression I have as well.
That is my point.
We leave it there, but that is the impression I have as well. Because if the state government and the state police wanted to arrest the man, as I said, he would be in jail 12 days ago. We leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much, Mr. Khan, for joining us. Chaturuppa, ho gaya. Okay, ho gaya. Thank you very much. Good night. Time to get some dinner. Time to go home. Thank you very much, Chaturuppa, for joining us. Thank you very much, Touseef Khan, for joining us as well. On that note, I'm going to end the show, but my colleague Shreya Dhoundial is joining you at the top of 9 with all the day's top stories. Thanks for watching. Good night.